guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my end of the month How to Kill a Kit with Style kit share. Show you what I have left. Literally scraps, just pieces of paper, some that are so small that it's like, why do I still even have them? I have a piece of vellum. Yeah, I have one tag. Obviously the alphas I didn't use up. Got them, piece of wood grain. And then I have just a bunch of the big ephemera left, and that's it. Not a ton of it either. Some, but not a ton. So I'm actually just going to add this to my next kit because my next kit is very, very colorful. And if I use this stuff, great. If not, one more month of it, and most people won't even keep this stuff. So I'm going to show you what I've got for my March kit. And I actually, when I just posted yesterday or 2 days ago, whatever day it was, when I received the Allie Edwards kit in the mail, I was like, I'm not going to use it for March. I changed my mind. So I'm going to add to this because this is all just scraps, but I'm like, that way if I want to put a strip of something or mat something, I have that with me. So originally I was gonna make a kit because I did a layout for Confessions of a Paper Addict with my Heidi Swap art walk, and I was loving the way it turned out. So I'm gonna use art walk, and then the other things I added for that layout. So I have some October Afternoon chipboard, hoping to maybe use some of those up. These are from Citrus Twist, just some fun puffy stickers. Some more just Citrus Twist goodies in both those bags. This is Citrus Twist ephemera. What was this one? Fresh. I don't remember when this one came out. But a lot of good things in it. So that I had added to my kit. The colors go really well, and they go well with the Allie Edwards stuff too. This is just a word phrase sticker sheet. I had these Ellie Studio puffy shapes, so I might as well keep those in there as well. So then I have the Heidi Swap tags from Art Walk, the alpha stickers, all these stencils. I'm gonna keep those in there. Some scraps. I had the paper pad. So I got the alpha, the yellow alpha, and the green alpha, and then just some papers. Some solid papers, a couple patterns left, just some scraps, and then this crazy pattern and that pattern. So not a ton, but enough that then adding the Allie Edwards kit, now I've got some fun little goodies as well, and I'm reserving the right to add things in. I had this in my kit last month. I might keep that in because it's rose gold and there's a lot of gold in everything. But I just thought, I happened to have this sitting on my desk and then the art walk sitting there, and I was like, a lot of those colors are the same. Like, yeah, this isn't exactly the same, but they're pretty close. And maybe I wouldn't do this paper with it. You know what I mean? Like, it's kind of crazy how close some of the colors are, and some of the colors are like spot on. So this is gonna be my kit, and this way I got something new and I'm gonna use it right away. And so yeah, I'm kind of excited about that. So this is my kit for this month, plus this stuff, and a lot of these colors are in, so it's just a very bright, colorful kit. Because of all the color, it can be used for pretty much anything. Yeah, I'm super excited. So yeah, I reserve the right to use other things in it, obviously, but there's plenty in here. I should be able to, I should have enough. Like, I shouldn't need to go digging too far. And I always just get worried that what if I get bored and what if I don't want it? Well, yeah. So I have 4 different alphas I can use. So I shouldn't have to worry about that. So you're going to see a lot of tile alpha titles. Or I'll dig in and probably grab some pre-made titles because I need to use some of those up. I'm sorry, I just hit the camera. I just wanted to try and put this in here. There we go. So I've got that, and then I don't even want to put this stuff in there. It's so pretty. I don't want to hurt it. But I got it in. I got it. It's in there. It's in there. So yeah, that's gonna be my kit, you guys, which I'm super excited about. So there is my kit. It's pretty hefty. It's pretty big. It's not tiny by any means, but it's not it's not ginormous. And like I said, it's mostly because I wanted to play with that stuff, and I really liked what I had come up with for that one layout. So I'm just going to put actually this in my thing here. And if I'm going to use some mixed media, I'll use some mixed media. And I hope I do, because I have a lot of it and it needs to be played with. I haven't played with my shimmers a long time. Maybe I should make that part of my kit too, that I have to play with my shimmers. Oh gosh. Or I'll just throw things. So yeah, that is my kit. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I can't wait to play. Bye. See you later.